I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the phone and camera app are updated. This avoids missing the motion photo feature. Once done, open Settings Camera and look for Motion, Short Video, or Motion Photo and toggle it on so the sensor will capture a brief clip with each photo. Then return to photo mode. Make sure Flash and HDR are set as you prefer. You'll be ready to capture. Hold the phone steady and position your subject before you press the shutter. Now take the shot. Tap the shutter once and try not to move the phone. Motion photos record a short clip around the capture moment, so smoothness matters. Once the shutter fires, hold steady for 1 to 2 seconds to ensure the motion segment records properly. If you move too fast, you may get jank. Make use of focus, lock, or face detection for consistent exposure and sharpness. If your camera app calls it short video, it behaves the same. Treat it like a normal photo with a tiny clip. Finish by reviewing the result in Gallery or Google Photos. Tap the thumbnail and play the motion segment, then export as GIF or a short MP4 if you need shareable video. If you don't see motion, go back to camera settings to confirm motion/short video is enabled, or reinstall camera updates and reboot. Make sure storage isn't full and try lowering photo resolution if capture fails repeatedly. Hardware limits or third-party camera mods can disable live capture, so revert to stock camera for best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.